In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to talk live using Huddles and Slack. Huddles are a quick, lightweight way to start a live audio conversation right inside Slack without scheduling a formal meeting or leaving the app. They're perfect for clearing up something that's hard to explain in text, doing a fast check-in with a teammate, or collaborating with a small group in real time. Let's start with where to begin. First, open Slack and go to the exact place where you want the live conversation to happen. That could be a channel, like a project or team channel, or a direct message with just one person, or even a small group direct message. Choosing the right location matters, because anyone who has access to that channel or conversation will be able to see the huddle and join in. So if it's a private topic, make sure you're in a private channel or DM before you move on. Once you're in the right conversation, look at the header area at the top of the Slack window. You should see a small headphones icon there, which might also look a bit like a radio antenna. This is the control that lets you start a huddle. When you're ready, simply click that headphones icon. There's no big confirmation screen or long setup process. It's designed to be fast, so you can jump into live discussion right away. As soon as you click, Slack starts the huddle instantly. You'll notice a small floating window appear in the corner of your screen. This is your huddle control panel. From here, you can see who's in the huddle, whether your microphone is on or muted, and you can adjust basic audio settings. If you're not automatically unmuted, make sure to click the mic icon so people can hear you when you're ready to speak. Anyone else in that channel or direct message will now see that a huddle is active, and they can join with a single click. This makes it very easy for teammates to hop in and out as needed without interrupting their workflow. That's all there is to it. Choose the right channel or DM, click the headphones icon in the header to initiate, and then use the small huddle window that appears to manage and join the live conversation.